As a writer or copywriter, you're always in search of words, always in search of the best word for every situation. This tool I'm going to show you in this video is going to help with that. It's called One Look, and it is a really expansive dictionary searching system. It's a great tool, and you can search anything you want to in here. So say I'm writing an article or writing some marketing copy about, let's say, social media. I can put this in there, but then I can choose how I want to search for it. And let's try a filter by doing starts with social. We can find any word we want to that starts with social. How crazy is that? We can narrow this down by the number of letters. So under the idea of social media, let's look at words that are 4 letters long. So there you go, meme. That pulls up. So also have like rhymes with. So I could put bitter in there, and brings up Twitter, Clipper, all kind of different words, all within this realm here. Super easy to use, super helpful. Hope you find it helpful. Hope you enjoy it.